Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making Kachi Keri Nu Shaak, also known as a raw mango curry. This curry can be eaten as a pickle, or could be eaten with parathas and rotis. It can also be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks, and is enjoyed by all. One of the reasons being, it has a very large variety of awesome flavours, including sweet, sour, savoury and delicious, if that counts. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So for our Kachi Keri Nu Shaak or mango curry, we will need 3 big chopped raw mangoes, 500 grams of gore or jaggery, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of a red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 20 grams of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves, 3 to 4 cloves, a few curry leaves, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 2 dry red chilies, and 2 tablespoons of garlic oil. So we are going to take a heated pan and add in 2 tablespoons of our oil. Then once the oil is heated, we're going to add in our cumin seeds, and our mustard seeds, then we're going to let them pop. Once the cumin and mustard seeds have started to pop, we're going to add in our cloves, curry leaves, bay leaves, and 2 dry red chilies. Then we're going to saute everything for a couple of minutes. And then we're going to add in our chopped mangoes, then we're going to put it on a medium flame, add salt, mix it well, and then at this time we're going to add in half a cup of water, mix it, and then we're going to cover it and let it cook for around 5 minutes. If you like our recipes, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. So it's been around 5 minutes, and we're just going to check on our shaak, also known as mango curry. We need all this mango to be soft and mushy too, so we're just going to give it a stir, cover it again, and cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes. It has now been 7 minutes, so we're just going to open the lid, and as you can see, the mango has gone a little soft. At this point, we are going to add in our jaggery, mix it well, and once again, we're going to cover it and cook it for around 5 minutes. By that time, the jaggery should have melted. It's been another 5 minutes, And as you can see, all the jaggery has melted now. Once all of your mangoes are cooked nicely, you don't need to cover it anymore. You can just let it cook for another 5 minutes and all the extra water will evaporate in the next 5 minutes. So now we're going to add in all of our other masalas, our coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and then we're going to mix it well. And now we're going to leave it open and cook it for another 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes, and as you can see, the gravy is quite thick now. It's not as watery or runny anymore. Now we're going to add in a secret ingredient. This is an optional ingredient, but it gives a very nice flavour and it's good for health. Our ingredient is kasturi methi. This is optional but will taste very nice if you add it in. Then we're just going to mix that in. So as you can see, all this mango is nicely cooked and it's soft and it looks really tasty now. Our gravy isn't runny at all either. And now is the time where you can just give it a little taste to balance out your salt and sweetness and to personalize it for your taste. Then finally, we're just going to add in our freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick stir, and then it's time for plating. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!